So you've noticed that your foundation has been shifting. One side teeters, the other side totters. But the one thing that you just can't help but notice is that your neighbor's house hasn't moved an inch. So you might be asking yourself, why is this happening to my house, but not my neighbor's? The answer might surprise you. Hi, I'm Sterling. I'm a videographer with Arizona Foundation Solutions. In this video, we will go over the 4 big reasons why your house might be having foundation problems while your neighbor seems to remain stable. It is my hope that you will gain an understanding as to why your home is moving while your neighbor's house might not be moving at all, and why it is that your neighbor's home might be next. So the big question is why your foundation is moving in the first place. The short answer is water. That's right. The one thing you can't live without is causing you the foundation problems to begin with. Let me explain. In Arizona, it's important to mimic the surrounding landscape. It's dry here, so it's vital to keep the soil around your foundation dry as well. In different regions such as East Texas, Florida, etc., it's important to keep the soil around your home wet as it is how the region is. Proper water management is a must. So with that, here are some reasons why your foundation is suffering while your neighbor's home appears foundation problem free. The first reason are rain gutters. It is amazing how rain gutters can make a huge difference in a place where rain is scarce. When it rains, the moisture saturates the soil just like any other region. When the rain stops and the sun comes out, the soils quickly dry up. The water will retreat to cooler soils which are found under your home. Once the moisture makes contact with the cool, dry soil, expansion occurs, and soil heave is the result. For more details on why rain gutters are necessary, even here in Arizona, click on this video. Wait, you say you already have rain gutters? Well, that's good. Now let's discuss plumbing issues. The second reason is pipes and plumbing. Do you know the full history of your home? Do you know about the water history? Water leaks, plumbing issues? Did a pipe burst even within the last few years? Because when a pipe under your home bursts, the moisture is immediately attracted to the dry soil. Soil heaving will occur, so it's important to remediate immediately. In some instances, there is a slow leak, and even the most seasoned inspectors might not catch any issues. But if all water for the outside is properly managed and soil heave occurs, you might want to check for small leaks. Reach out to a plumber or inspector if you feel this might be an issue. So, no issues with plumbing? Pipes are solid and know the history? Excellent. Now let's talk about your landscaping. Third reason, landscaping. Nothing makes a home like paradise like great landscaping. The look, smell of the grass, the shade over your home with the tree, pretty flowers all lined up along the foundation. Oh yeah, those flowers need water, and your sprinkler is saturating the soil next to your foundation. Yes, this is an issue. When plants are installed around your home, the water needed to keep them alive will seep in and attract to the dry soils under your foundation. Trees grown too close to your foundation will create issues with the roots. Breaking through the foundation footings, popping up through the crawl space and flooring is not uncommon. Roots bending and breaking pipes are a common issue as well. So if you have a tree too close to your home while your neighbor doesn't, then this could be a reason it's happening to you and not your neighbor. For more information on how trees can affect your home's foundation, take a look at this video. Fourth reason, poor drainage. After the next rainfall, go out and check around your property for pooling water. It might surprise you to find that your property doesn't drain water as well as you thought. It's important that your foundation is graded in such a manner that all rainwater finds its way to the city street where it can properly drain. Rain gutters can assist with this issue in addition to proper grading. So let's recap. Install rain gutters on your home. Check and maintain the pipes securing leaks and acting quick when a burst occurs. Keep landscaping a proper distance from your foundation. And lastly, proper grading to ensure drainage. I know seeing these issues on your property while your neighbor has none of it can be frustrating. But by managing the water around your property, you can enjoy the blissful peace of mind knowing you've done all that you can to maintain the integrity of your home's foundation. If you follow these guidelines, you're less likely to need costly repairs. But if you're facing foundation problems due to these kind of water issues, give us a call. Set up an appointment for a free initial inspection. And if you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And we'll see you in the next video.